How many got something in your life right now that you feel like God must be telling me no?
You said you had a little secret, something that you wanna try. Said it might be kinda crazy, but I just gave you that look in my eye. I ain't the kind of girl who blushes when the lights go low at last. So if you've got the nerve, my love, go on and put it in. There's a place in the back where the wild ones go. So hold me tight, let's make it last. Come on, baby, put it in my ass. You took me dancing past midnight. Now I'm feeling bold and sweet. Whispered something in your ear, love, that knocked you right off your feet. Just a lady, I'm a powder keg. You light me up with just one touch. Boy, I can take it, I like it that much. So don't hold back, don't let it pass. Come on, baby, put it in my ass. Ooh, you make me feel so wild, like a devil with a Sunday smile. They say it's wrong, but it feels so. Let's do it again tomorrow night. Put it in my ass and let's lose control. Let's write a little sin on your heart and soul. We're breaking rules, we're crossing lines, but I've been bad and you're just my kind. Don't make me wait, don't let it pass. Oh baby, baby, put it in my ass. You really did it this time, darling. Now, what else can we try?
I was tempted, tempted by your smile. I was tempted, and for a little while,
Judgement.
How many got something in your life right now that you feel like God must be telling me no?